G'day, this is Simon from My Gard. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to install your 4G Nano Sim Card into our car body vehicle tracking system. So, first and foremost, you need a tracking device, you need your SIM card. Let's put them on the table. Let's open up the box, lift out your tracking unit. Okay. As you can see, the top cover has been separated from the tracking device for easy access, and locate the little SIM card rail in here. If you pull it down, then it's locked. Make sure it's at the upward position, and then lift it up to put in the SIM card. You can just simply tilt the tracker, and then, as you can see, open it. Next thing, we're going to take our SIM card. Alright, so this tracking device, as it's for using 4G network, you will need a Nano Sim Card. Make sure that when you go to your local phone shop to get one of these, and it has to be the smallest one, which is the Nano Sim Card. Alright, so place it inside the tracker, and as you can see, I'm just going to actually take it out for a second again. It has to be facing chip downwards, and all the SIM cards, they have this little folded corner. So when you're looking at the tracking device, as I am at the moment, the folded corner has to be pointing upwards and to the left. Place it inside the unit. It should fit nicely in the socket, and when you put your finger on it, it just shouldn't move. Now, next thing you'll do is push down the rail, and then make sure, if you do that, you're gonna have to pull it down as well so it's locked. So now if I tilt it, it will not come out. All right? Before you actually install it in your vehicle, there's another thing that we need to do. Inside the tracking unit, there's a little toggle switch in here. Make sure to push it upwards, and these two lights come on if there's sufficient amount of battery inside the tracking unit. Most of them do already, and they'll start flashing and looking for networks. And once you've done that, okay, so in case the lights don't come on, don't be alerted by it. It's simply due to the batteries probably run flat. But as soon as you connect it to the car, it'll come on. But it has to be when you're looking at this little white rail in here and the device, so the toggle switch has to be pushed upwards towards these two lights in here. All right. Last thing to do is you're going to take the top cover, and you should be able to see the lights through this. There's only one way it goes on. You can't put it on the other way, it's just won't fit. Once you've lined it up nicely, and you just squeeze it all together. I'm not going to do that because they are built in a way where they're very hard to pull apart once you've actually installed the SIM card and put it all together. Alright, well, I hope this was clear enough to show you how it's done. If you still got any more questions, then make sure to contact us via our website or social media channels. Pop a question at hashtag #MBGRules, and someone will cater to your from a technical department, and surely help you out. Until then, thank you for watching, and have a great day, guys.